back TechPile family. Today we are going to see about top most asked 5 SQL entry question which is asked in top MNC company in 2024 like TCS, Cognizant, L&T, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, Capgemini, Infosys, etc. So let's see what is the question and what is the answer for that. The first question is what is window function? We have three common window functions are there. The first one is aggregate function, that is sum, average, minimum, maximum, count. And second is analytical or ranking function, that is row number, rank, dense rank, and entile. And third one is value function, that is lead, lag, first value, and last value. Let's see one by one. I have already created a table like a table name. Sorry, select store from employee master. I have already created a table, the table having employee ID column, employee name, salary, department ID, and job type. So now I will show you aggregate function like a sum, count, average, min, max. So first I'm using select count star from employee master. So totally 5 records are there. Suppose now I'm using average, average of salary from employee master. What is the average salary for average salary column? So 21,400. So now I'm using minimum salary. Select min of salary. $17,500. So now I'm going to check maximum salary. 30,000 and sum of salary. So sum of salary is 1,07,000. Now I'm going to explain analytic or ranking function, row number, rank, and dense rank. So now I'm going to use select star, comma, row number. If suppose we are going to use row number, rank, dense rank, any agree analytic function means we need to use over keyword. Over keyword. If suppose we need to use any group by condition, then here we can use partition by. Now I'm going to use order by class only. Order by EMP from employee master. Now let's execute. Select star. Okay, star it will not work. So EMP ID, comma EMP name, comma salary. So now let's execute this query. Row number. Sorry, row number. Okay, see row number. First for employee ID wise, it is showing like generating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm using dense rank based on salary. Then sorry, rank first we need to show you rank based on salary. Department ID, I will show you department ID because rank is not the same value. So I'm using department ID. I'll add department ID. So see order by department ID. So it is showing 101, 102, 103. But for rank value showing first row it is showing 1 and second row it is showing same because department id is same, that's why it is showing same rank. For third department id 102 is showing rank is 3 because number 2 sequence number is skipped, and department number 103 the rank value is showing like a 4. Here the sequence number 2 is skipped, that means rank is skip the sequence number. That is the main difference between rank and dense rank. Let's see dense rank as well. Dense rank. See here, number 2 is not skipped because 101 having 2 times, so it is showing same rank, and 102 rank is 2, 103 2 times are there, rank is still showing 3. That means rank skip the sequence number, but dense rank will not skip the sequence number. Based on that only we can get second IS, third IS, fourth IS, like highest salary we can get. So an analytical function is the most important concept for any like highest salary or some department has highest salary we need to get. So this kind of tricky interview question we can use analytic function. Now I'm going to use n-tile. What is n-tile means? It will make a partition by how many time we need to partition for one record. Let's see. Example, I'm going to um, create a partition for department ID. Let's see. Same. I will use same table. Select. I will select all the things. Comma n-tile over order by dept ID from employee master. Now let's execute because it will ask input in the n-tile. It will I will show you why it will not execute. Invite number of argument because it required argument. I will make 3. Argument is 3. Let's execute this one. See, it is segregating 3. So totally 5 records. It is partition 2 for one group, another 2 for one group, remaining one value is 3. See 101 is one group, 102 and 103 is a second group, 103 is a third group. So that means it is pardoning each group. If suppose if we need to partition some group, example I have 1 year but I want 4 quarter, so that time we can mention entire is 4 means it will make 3 month, each 3 month 1 quarter, like this way it will generate. So now let's see lead and lag for comparison purpose. So I'm using same thing, lead. So now I'm using lead order by salary. Let's see. From keyword not found for expected. Okay. Sorry. Function I missed. Why I it's showing? Because I'm not mentioned within lead function. So I'm using salary because I need to which column we need to make a lead. So see 17,000, that lead value is 18,500. For 18,000 lead value is 20,000. It is showing here. For 20,000 lead value is 21,000. 21,000, that's why it's showing here. For 21,000 lead value is 30,000. So it is showing here. 30,000 we don't have any lead value. That's why it's showing null. Now I'm showing lag. So first value we don't have any previous value, so it is showing null. For second value 20,000, the previous value is 30,000. 21,000, the previous value is 20,000, that's why here showing here. For 18,000, the previous value is 21,000, so it is showing 21,000. For 17,500, the previous value is 18,500, so it is showing here. So this is the window function. So let's go for next question. Explain each join. There are different types of joins will be there, like inner join, left outer, right outer, cross join, full join, and self join. This question is a common for all MNC company, because everyone face this kind of question, like a joins and different types of joins. Each join, how many records are displayed, and how many record counts are displayed. So this kind of tricky interview question, everyone face this nowadays. So let's see. Inner join, left outer, right outer. So now I am already created. Now I am going to create one new table. Let's see. Create table test onto id int. Table created 1, 2, and 11 and 12. I'm going to create 11 and 12. So now I'm going to create two tables, create 11 and 12. Invert table name, create table test 11. So now I'm going to insert few record, insert into test 11, value is 1. So 1, 1, 2, null and null. So I'm going to insert record 1, select, sorry, values. Okay, now I'm going to insert 12th. 1, 2, 2, null. So I'm going to insert number 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So now using select statement, select star from test underscore 11, select star from test underscore 12. So test 1 null, 1, 2 null, double 2 1 null. So now let's make inner join. Select from test underscore 11, comma test underscore 12 from, sorry. So I'm making a alias for this two table T11, this table T12. So T1 dot T11 dot id, comma T12 dot id. So both table columns I'm going to take. So now I'm using where condition. For inner join we can use inner join, or we can use where condition. So I'm using where condition, where T11 dot id equal to t12 dot id. Let's execute. So what are the records between common between both tables? So those records are presented. So totally four records are common between both tables. Let's see. So let's show you how it is joining for inner join. So I'm making a word to understand simply. For inner join, this one joined with this one. So and this one joined with again this one. This two join with this two, and this two join with this two. So null will not join with any other null. So totally four records are there. One join with one, another one join with one, this two join with two, and this two join with this two. So totally four records. So one join with, so one join with one, and one join with one, two join with two, and two join with two. Totally four records. Now I'm using left join. So left join, we can use left join keyword here, and instead of where, we need to put on condition. So what is left join means? Whatever records presented in the left hand side table, all the records from left hand side table, and what are the records matching with right hand side table. That is the definition for left outer join or left join. Let's see what is the output for this. So whatever records are presented in the left hand side, all the records should be present. For right hand side, we need to match those records. Let's see. So totally 6 rows are returned. Let's see. So this one join with this one join with this two join with this two, and this two join with this two. Null, don't have null. So totally left over 0 1 1 2 null. Left hand side T11. Let's open T11. T11, here we have 2 2. I think T11 is this one. Okay, T12 is, okay, sorry, I think this is right join, because I changed the position, that's why it's showing. So it will show now exact result. See, totally five records. So one with join with one join with one, two times, and one null is null. So this is the output. So one join with one two times, two join with two times, one null join with another null. So totally five records. This is right join. Now I'm going to make a left join. Sorry, right join. Now let's see right join. So totally six rows. Now let's check. So right join. So this one join with this one, and this one join with this one, and two join with this two join with this two, and null join with null. So one, two, three, four, five, and one, one, two, null, one, This one join with two times. This two join with one. This two join with two. Two, three, four, five. Five only. But here it is showing six. Let's say I think some place I missed one values. Let's verify once again. T11. Two one. Two null. Oh sorry, two null. Here I mentioned two null, but that's why its value is missing. Okay. Here another null. And here four rows only. This is correct one, but here I missed the wrong one. So right and same, correct. This null, another null will come. Let's explain once again. I think I missed one value. That's why little bit confused. Let's explain once again. For inner join, I will show you what is inner join. So this one join with this one, and this one join with this one. This two join with this two. This two join with this two. So totally four records because common record between both tables. I will explain once again because I missed one value. That's why a little bit confused. So totally four records. One with join with one join with one, two join with two, two join with two. Now left join. So left join. All the record from left hand side table match with right hand side table. So this one join with this one. This one join with this one. This two join with this two. This two join with this two. Now first null join with another null. And this null join with another null. Totally six record. So T11. So this is left join. Totally six rows. Sorry, on condition is to on. Merit table name test. Sorry. I think here I missed something. Score 11. So totally six rows. So left join is matched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see right join. This one matched with this one. This one matched with this one. This two matched with this two. This two matched with this two. Null match with another null. So totally five records for right join. Okay, totally five records. So five rows are presented. Now we are going to start. See full join. What is full join? I will explain you full join. Full join means left outer join plus right outer join. Both records should present. So I will show you. One, this one join with this one. This one join with this one. This two join with this two. This two join with another this two. And null join with null. Null join with null. Here this null join with null. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records. Let's try full join. So totally 7 rows are there. Now let's say cross join. Select. So we can remove the keyword. Cross join means uh, multiplication. So number of rows from first table into number of rows from second table. So totally 10 rows. 11. Sorry, not 10 rows. Full join. Cross join, right? I think something I missed. Cross join. Test 11, test 12. Okay, here I have mentioned 10. That's right. So totally 20 rows. 4 into 5. I'll show you 4 into 5. Here the table values are 4 records. Here 5 records. 5 into 4, 20. This is cross join. So now let's move to next question. For join, this is the most important concept. Every interviewer will ask at least one interview question in joins. They will ask left outer, right outer, number of records, number of rows for left outer, right outer with null. This is the most important and familiar concept asked in interview questions. So now we can see difference between union and union OR. So now I will use the same table. Select ID from test 11 union. Select ID from test 12. So what is union? Union means it will remove duplicate records or values and sorting the order, ascending order. So let's execute. So it will show only three values because three values only unique values. Let's see one one three times are there, but unique value is one only, one time only. So two having three values three times, so two is presented only one time. Null only one time it is presented, and it is showing sorting order like ascending order, one two null. Now let's see union all. Union all means it will not remove duplicate records and it will not sort the order. Union all means does not remove duplicate values and does not sort the order. So now I'm using union all. See, totally 9 records are there. 5 plus 4, 9 records. So whatever records are presented in the table, same records it is showing. So it is not removing any duplicate and it is not sorting any order. This is the main difference between union and a union all. So now let's move to next question. Difference between drop, delete and truncate statement. This is also most important concept. Most asked interview question for freshers, 2 plus up to 5 years experienced candidate. So this is a common question. So now let's show you what a delete statement is doing. Now I'm going to delete few records from test test 12 table. Delete from test underscore 12 where id equal to 2. So for delete statement, we can delete all the records or some particular records using where condition. So two rows are deleted. Select star from test underscore 12. Let's see what are the inputs are presented. So null and one values will be there. Delete statement is performing delete all the rows or for selected columns, selected rows, user defined rows. It is performing to delete the records. So now I am going to use truncate. Truncate means it is delete the all the record without using where condition. Truncate table test 12. Because I am not mentioning any where condition, it is automatically delete all the records from this table. See, table truncated. Let's try to use select statement for test 12. See, no data found. That means table still presented, but data are not presented. Now I'm going to use drop table test 12. Table drop because permanently the table is deleted from the database. If you are going to drop the table, it will delete automatically supporting indexes, triggers, keys, everything. It is automatically deleted. So that table does not exist in the database. See, I'm using select query, view or table does not exist. This is the main difference between delete, drop and truncate. So now let's see final question. View and materialized view. Everyone, we know how to create a view. Let's create a view. Create view. View name normal view as select star from employee master. So now I'm going to create a view. I'm selecting all the column from employee master, but star is not required. So I manually mention what are the columns will be there. Employee ID, comma emp, name, salary, and debt ID and job type. Okay. Now I'm going to create a view, normal view created. Now I'm using select statement to check the view. Select star from normal view. So now views displaying what are the records presented in the table. Now I'm going to update a view. Okay. Update normal view. Set salary equal to 15,000 where emp id equal to 1. Now I'm updating the value salary 15,000 for employee ID 1. Let's check. So one row affected. Now let's see normal view. See, some employee 1 values is updated in the table as well. But I am updating only view, but values are reflecting in table as well. Now let's run table also. Table by master. See, table also the values is reflecting. Employee master table 15,000 is reflecting. For view also the same values is reflecting, because once we update the value from view, that normal view, that value is automatically updated in the table as well. Now let's going to create a materialized view. So same is create materialized view. View name is mb1 refresh, fast, for update I'm going to use to update the view. That's why I'm using for update keyword as same select same statement. Okay, now I'm executing to creating a view. Okay, view created. Now I'm going to use select star from view mv1, but I'm going to update the value as well. So all the records are presented. Now I'm trying to update the values in the view. Update mv1 set salary equal to 10,000 where emp id equal to 3. For Peter, I'm going to update the salary 10,000 instead of 21,000 because the existing previous salary is 21,000, but I'm going to change the value to 10,000. Now let's try Wonder updated. Now let's see what is materialized view. Materialized view, it is reflecting for employee ID 3 10,000. Okay. Now let's see select star from employee table. Master table. See, for third row number 3, employee ID 3, still table showing 21,000. But in views, it's showing 10,000 only. That means materialized view physically store the data and it will not reflect into table. Whatever data we are going to update in the materialized view, that data will not stored in the main table. This is the main difference between materialized view and normal view. Normal view, if we are going to update any value in the view level, that is automatically reflected in the table level as well. But materialized view, if we are going to update any value in materialized view level, that data should not reflect in the table level. So table is different value and materialized view having some different value if suppose going to update any value. This is the main difference. Thank you, friend. Whatever I'm explaining today, this is the most important interview questions because everyone will face at least 2 to 3 interview questions in this top 5. That means everyone will face this kind of interview question. At least 3 to 4 interview question you will get for your interview. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information and please comment me if you have any query related doubts or concept related doubts. Thank you all once again. Bye.